The secrets of skin cycling. Why everyone's talking about it in 2025. The world of skincare is buzzing with a term that has taken TikTok, Instagram, and beauty podcasts by storm: skin cycling. This revolutionary yet simple approach to skincare has been embraced by dermatologists and beauty enthusiasts alike, promising glowing, healthy skin without the overwhelming 10-step routines of the past. Skin cycling involves a rotating schedule of active ingredients, giving your skin time to recover while still reaping the benefits of powerful treatments. In 2025, as more people look for minimalist, sustainable routines that actually work, skin cycling has cemented its place as a lasting trend. At its core, skin cycling follows a 4-night schedule. On the first night, you exfoliate using a gentle chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid or lactic acid. This step removes dead skin cells and preps the skin to absorb other products more effectively. The second night is all about using a retinoid or retinol, boosting collagen production and speeding up cell turnover for smoother, firmer skin. The third and fourth nights focus solely on recovery. Hydrating serums, ceramides, and barrier-repairing moisturizers take center stage, allowing the skin to heal and strengthen. Then the cycle repeats. This approach prevents over-exfoliation and irritation, common issues in aggressive skincare routines. What makes skin cycling so appealing is its adaptability. Whether you're in your 20s battling acne or in your 40s targeting fine lines, the cycle can be tailored with specific actives and strengths. Dermatologists recommend starting slow, perhaps using a milder exfoliant or lower strength retinol, and adjusting as your skin builds tolerance. In 2025, many skincare brands are releasing skin cycling kits that bundle the perfect sequence of products, taking the guesswork out for beginners. Social media influencers demonstrate their personalized cycles, adding to the trend's popularity and fostering a community of shared results and recommendations. Beyond just a skincare routine, skin cycling represents the shift in mindset toward skin intuition, listening to your skin's signals and respecting its natural rhythms. Beauty experts emphasize that rest nights are just as important as active treatment nights. Overloading the skin with constant actives can compromise the skin barrier, leading to redness and sensitivity. With skin cycling, the focus is on balance and sustainability, aligning with broader health trends in 2025 that prioritize holistic well-being over quick fixes. Whether you're a skincare novice or a seasoned beauty lover, skin cycling invites you to simplify, listen, and glow.